Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to convert your CWA to GPA. So whether you're a KNUST student or you're a graduate and you are thinking of, furthering your education abroad, some institution will require you to, enter in your GPA as you are filling the forms. So if you've reached that stage or you want to, convert your CWA to GPA for some particular reason, then this video is for you. Yeah. So not to waste much of your time, these are the things that you will be needing. Yeah. So make sure you have your transcript available. So you can request for your transcript. That's when you're a KNUST student, you can request for your transcript. So kindly request for your transcript because that's what you'll be using in here. And if you don't have your transcript available